Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation and some of our van life adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Hola. Okay, take a look outside. Lots of snow. And we are ready to go to Florida. It is December 24th. You can't see, but the gray van is ready for us. Okay, here we are. Oh, December 24th. Ready to go to Florida again. Nice drive to I-75 to Tampa Bay. Let's do this. Yep. My wife's got me these elf socks to travel to Florida. Where to go? Right, Lola? You're gonna stay. Haha, you staying. Do the dog, Lola. You gotta stay at the other cabinet. Lola, who's that? Don't worry, she's staying with my brothers. She's in good hands. Trekking in the snow, December 24 before going to Florida. Okay. Okay. Temperature 9:35 in the morning. We're ready to go. Here's the wife, ready to go. And where's my here we go. My daughter's in the back and ready to rock and roll. You can tell she's not a morning person. Snow ahead of us. Let's do this. Crossing the Windsor-Detroit Ambassador Bridge.
Oh, I can't see it. The window is too dirty. Oh, it's even worse now.
Okay, about half an hour past the Ambassador Bridge now. We're still in Michigan. Temperature is still -15. It's quite windy out today. The road is, they've shoveled the road, so it's pretty good. So, but you never know, there'll still be some slippery spots there. So I'm really averaging about 90 kilometers an hour. But we're on our way. Maybe another 18 more hours for Tampa. Okay, we passed through Michigan. We're in Ohio now. We passed 9 vehicles that were off to the side of the road, either broken down or accident. Take some shots for it next time, but still super windy. The road is actually pretty decent, but there might be some slick spots, so I'm still averaging about 95 kilometers per hour, just to be safe. So here's something cool I just found out about this Ford Transit van. It's really windy outside, and the wind is hitting the van, and it thinks that I'm swerving. So it's asking me to driver alert, warning, rest suggested. That's the sensors telling the van that it thinks I'm swerving or falling asleep at the wheel or something, even though the wind is the one that's moving the van left and right. Okay, gassing up the car for the first time. Yeah, it looks like we got $45
to check their mirrors often.
Got a change for $50 worth. Look at me, freezing over here.
Learn more at www.sharetheroadsafely.gov.
Oh, it's freezing. It's still -15 Celsius over here. And we're just in Ohio also. Still cold. First gas pump. Looks like a big accident ahead, and we have to detour. Okay, an accident over there. And we're stuck here. We're at, what's that called? Anna Minister in Ohio. We're stuck there for a while. Traffic. Looks like the accident's right over there.
Why are they closing this side?
I don't know why that side is closed, but the accident's right on the side.
It said hazard material.
Oh, that's why. It's hazardous material. Big truck. This is killing us going through the rerouting here. Back on I-75 South again, and more accidents. All right, time for a rest stop. Okay, we're in our first washroom break, actually. No, actually there's our second washroom break at a truck stop. Right in front of the thing over here. You can see all the other trucks parked all the way. All right. So on our way over here, we had about, let's see, 25 or 26. We had 26 vehicles off to the side of the road, either through an accident or car problems. It's been a pretty rough last couple hours drive anyways. So here we go, still on our way to Tampa, Florida. We'll see you then. Okay, kilometers is 5,010 kilometers. So we're probably going to do the oil change when we get to Florida. I always love this part of the drive. Ohio-Kentucky border.
This is an exit lane, is it? Don't exit.
Welcome to Kentucky.
We might not make it because they all close at 6.
Okay, we're out of washer fluid. Can you believe that? We've gone to 3 gas stations and nothing is available. Looking for the closest Walmart, and we'll see. Hopefully it's still open. Check everything new. Well, thank goodness the 4th gas station had some washer fluid, because the front windshield was starting to get really dirty and the visibility of the front windshield was starting to get dangerous. 6:30 at night, we're gonna end up just having something to eat at the Waffle House. So, and then we'll check out a place to stay, maybe behind the what's that one there? Cracker Barrel. Waffle House. Do a waffle. So we're gonna stay at, we're gonna have dinner at the Waffle House. And then hopefully tomorrow morning we can leave around 8 o'clock and head towards Tampa. But then we're gonna sleep, I think tonight we'll be sleeping at the Cracker Barrel. So. Cracker Barrel parking lot. So this is gonna be really exciting. The temperature tonight is gonna be minus 18 Celsius.
Oh, I don't know if I wanna.
So this will be our first time sleeping in a van, minus 18 Celsius. We've got our little buddy heater thing, so I think it'll keep us warm. So this will be very exciting.
A hotel right there.
If not, if it gets too cold, there's a hotel right close by. So wish us luck. Okay, 7:28 p.m. and the temperature so far is minus 10. And we're at the parking lot of the Cracker Barrel. Now, Cracker Barrel was closed, so we were gonna have dinner there and asked to stay in the parking lot, but since they are closed, we end up having a dinner at the side of the restaurant there, the Waffle House, right beside it. And then we now we're just gonna stay over at the Cracker Barrel. And like I said, minus 10 degrees Celsius. First time in a van at this temperature. Very excited. Let you know how it works out tomorrow. And just to let you know, minus 10 Celsius, but it's actually wind chill factor about minus 18 out there. We got our, let's see, we got our buddy heater going over here. Nice and toasty warm. The wife and kid over there in the bed. And I'm right over here. Okay, crack the window open a little bit. Good air inside the van, both sides of the, there you go, so. Okay, let me tell you what's happening here. We had the buddy heater going for about an hour, but my daughter complained that she didn't like the smell of the propane smell, and I understand. I didn't like the smell either, even though we had the windows cracked open for ventilation. So we shut off the buddy heater, and now I'm waking up at 11:45 freezing. So of course I turn on the car heater to keep us warm. Alright. Oh. Well, good morning everyone. Today is December 25th, Christmas. It's 6:30 in the morning. And sleeping in our van today was a big experience. And first time also today, sleeping at the parking lot of the Cracker Barrel. First day for everything. First time for everything today. The temperature last night was minus 12 Celsius. And probably a wind chill of minus 18. Very cold. So anyways, first time for today. Sleeping in a freezing cold weather, but the van was not too bad. It was cold at some times. And I woke up twice to turn on the car heater. Also, yes, Merry Christmas. And first time in the parking lot of the Cracker Barrel. Okay. Morning, it's Christmas. Beautiful day today. Take a look, the sun is out, but the temperature is still really cold outside. We had a nice cold night in the van last night, but we survived it. So we're doing pretty good. On our way to Tampa right now to my brother Enrique and Jen's place. And good thing about traveling on Christmas Day, take a look at the highway. It's hardly any vehicles on the highway today. Any other day of the week, this highway would be jam-packed full of vehicles. So at least that's one thing going good for us. On our way to Tampa. See you there soon. Okay, we're in the state of Tennessee right now, and I've counted a total of 48 vehicles that have been to the side of the road, either because of the storm, or damaged, or broken down the side of the road. But 48 I've counted so far, and we're only in Tennessee. Alright, we're now in the state of Florida. And check it out, the temperature is now +7 Celsius. And wouldn't you know it, traffic jam because car accident ahead of us, and we're only 20 minutes away from our destination. Merry Christmas!
Finally!
What is it?
No express one?
Long Tennessee. Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
What it is?
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Dad. Merry Christmas, buddy.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
And check it out, guys. Almost 2,000 kilometers from Windsor to Tampa through sleet and snow, running out of windshield washer fluid, 2 major accidents, and a total of 70 vehicles stuck on the side of the road of Highway 75 between Windsor and state of Georgia. So if you guys like my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. And stay tuned for the next couple of videos of our little adventures in Florida.